To check your transaction history on TransferWise, follow these simple steps. This guide will help you navigate the process quickly and efficiently. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the TransferWise website or open the TransferWise app. Enter your email and password to log into your account. Step 2. Navigate to the activity section. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breach data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 3. Filter your transactions. In the activity section, you may have options to filter your transactions by date type or status. Use these filters to narrow down the list to find specific transactions. Step 4. View transaction details. Click on any transaction to view more details. This will show you information such as the amount, date, recipient, and any fees associated with the transaction. Step 5. Download your history optional. If you need a copy of your transaction history, look for an option to download or export your transactions. This is usually available in formats like CSV or PDF for your records. Now you can easily check your transaction history on TransferWise. Following these steps will help you stay informed about your financial activities.